to the next topic, students. So let us see the sums of the few questions in the D block and the F block elements. That is numericals based on this calculation of nuclear charge and effective nuclear charge. And now let us see why is ionization energy not smooth and sharp as seen in the S block and the P block elements. Ionization energy is directly proportional to nuclear charge, and the key point I said, it is inversely proportional to the atomic radii. When you compare to S block and P block, they are called representative elements, and D block is a bridge elements are called as a transition element, shows both S character as well as the P character. So group in a lanthanide contraction, that is top to bottom, it is atomic radii decreases, nuclear charge increases, ionization increases. In a period left to right, that stability of the electronic configuration, it is D5 and D10, and the ionization is increases. So this is in a group wise, the ionization energy is decreases, and in a period wise, the ionization energy is increases. So here the ionization energy of 5D series higher than the 3D and 4D series. This is 3D series and 4D series and 5D series. Gradually it is the ionization energy is increases. 3D 1 4s2 in 4D series, 4D1 5s2 in 5D series, 4f14 5D1 6s2. Because of these D and F orbitals having very less screening effects because of diffused activity, and not only diffused activity, but also they have a double shape. So they have more diffusion character. Nucleus means electrons are then and there only their electrons will be present, not on a packed. So like a s orbital and a p orbital. So that nucleus, because of there is no lot of space is there, so through the space all the outermost electron will be travel and attracted by the nucleus. So what there are nucleus will drag the electron towards itself. So that is it is tries to, nucleus will tries to attack the electron from the outermost. Automatically that our atomic radii decreases and nuclear charge increases, ionization energy increases, because of having the F block elements having the very poor shielding effect. Next, see the another question. Why the first ionization energy of chromium is lower than that of zinc? So chromium has 3d5 4s1 electronic configuration. It is completely filled, off filled, and zinc has a completely filled as 3d10 and 4s2. So zinc is the first electron has to remove from the fully filled electronic configuration is more stable. So it requires very high ionization energy to remove electrons. So chromium electron is having only half filled. So it has a less amount of energy. When we compare to half filled and completely filled only will have the higher ionization energy is required than half filled. Next, why I2 of ionization, second ionization energy of chromium, copper, and third ionization energy of manganese, zinc are higher. Second ionization energy of chromium and copper is higher because chromium 3d5 4s1 first ionization energy 3d after losing one electron, this first ionization energy becomes half-filled, highly stable. And I2 it is 3d4 required a higher ionization energy. And second one is copper 3d10 4s1, it is 3d10 completely filled up, it requires a high ionization energy to become 3d9 and 4s2, further removing one more electron from 10. Then I3 of the manganese and zinc, 3d5 4s2 for manganese, one electron is removed, it becomes a half filled. Then again one more electron is removed from the half filled is required more energy. So here D5, it is one electron is removed, it is becomes 3d10, and it is actually 2, it has removed one electron, it has becomes a 4s1, and then one more electron is removed, it has a 4s2 and becomes finally it becomes a 3d10. So what it never becomes a 3d9. So it becomes, because that oxidation state is only 2, because it is very stable, it is very difficult to remove the electron. So the oxidation state of zinc is +2, and it is if +2 only, but it is a third ionization energy is required more energy because it is highly filled down, completely filled down, stable electronic configuration. It has a very higher ionization energy. Third ionization energy is very high to become as a 3D9. So what the question is, why are I2 of chromium and copper and I3 of manganese and zinc are higher? Means that is only the thing is off filled, completely filled. Electronic configuration you should mention. Thanks for watching, students.